Herculean and laborious task of Professor Asad Aslam. Either it was his career as an active vice chancellor or the establishment of College of Ophthalmology and Allied Visual Sciences, which created a revolution in the history of ophthalmology, or his role during the corona pandemic. So now I would like to invite Professor Dr. Suhail Sarwar. He is a professor of diagnostic ophthalmology. He has a long association with Professor Asad Aslam to throw some light on innumerable and immeasurable achievement of Professor Asad Aslam Khan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I feel honored to read and cite Professor Dr. Asad Aslam Khan. Indeed, this will be a long citation and I may have to take long pauses in between. Professor Asad Aslam Khan, currently working as Pro Vice Chancellor, King Edward Medical University, Chief Executive Officer, Mayo Hospital, Lahore, Principal College of Ophthalmology and Allied Vision Sciences, King Edward Medical University, Lahore, Chairman Faculty of Ophthalmology, Professor of Ophthalmology, Dean Surgery and Allied King Edward Medical University, Lahore, and National Coordinator for Prevention of Blindness Program, Pakistan. Was born in Lahore on March 10, 1961. His parents migrated from Kashmir, leaving everything in Indian occupied Kashmir, and opted for Pakistan. His father was also the graduate of this institution, King Edward Medical University, in 1954. Professor Asad Aslam Khan did his matriculation from Central Model School, Lower Mall, Lahore, FSc from Government College, Lahore, and graduated from this institution, King Edward Medical University, in 1985. He did MS in ophthalmology from the University of the Punjab in 1991 and PhD ophthalmology from KEMU in 2013 and FRCS Glasgow in 2019. He was awarded honorary FACPS by American College of Physicians and Surgeons in 1999. By College of Physicians, and he was awarded FCPS by College of Physicians and Surgeons Bangladesh in 2011. He was selected as Senior Registrar by PPSC. He stood first in Punjab Public Service Commission and was selected as Associate Professor of Ophthalmology. He spent uninterrupted 42 years at this institution and Mayo Hospital as a student, as a house officer, as a registrar, as senior registrar, AP associate professor, professor, principal, CUAVS, Dean Allied Health Sciences, Dean Public Health, Dean Surgery and Allied, Pro VC, Acting VC, and CEO Mayo Hospital. He has over 32 years of experience in the field of ophthalmology, 26 years of teaching experience as professor, associate professor, assistant professor, and senior registrar. He has 14 years of experience as administrator, as acting Vice Chancellor KEMU, Pro Vice Chancellor KEMU, CEO Mayo Hospital, Principal College of Ophthalmology and Allied Vision Sciences, and Professor of Ophthalmology. He has 59 original research papers published in national and international recognized journals. He attended 102 national and international conferences, workshops, courses, and presented 46 original research papers in conferences. Professor Asad Aslam Khan was appointed as Chairman National Committee for Eye Health, National Coordinator for WHO Pakistan Collaborate Program for Prevention of Blindness in Pakistan. He has also been appointed as member of WHO Monitoring Committee for VN 2020, representing as Eastern Mediterranean region representative. He is also the provincial coordinator for neglected tropical diseases in Punjab. His contributions towards promotion of eye health are innumerable. He established College of Ophthalmology and Allied Vision Sciences on public-private partnership. In his capacity as the Principal and Director General CEO ABS and Provincial Coordinator for Prevention of Blindness in Punjab, he upgraded eye departments of all teaching hospitals, all DHQ hospitals, and established new eye departments in 71 THQ hospitals in the Punjab. He introduced 9 new courses in ophthalmology. These are vitreoretina, pediatric ophthalmology, ophthalmic technicians, optometry, orthoptists, investigative oculists, ophthalmic nursing, and community ophthalmology, and thus introduced new cadres for all these graduates. With the help of international NGOs, he has developed special units of vitreoretina and pediatric ophthalmology in 13 teaching hospitals of Pakistan. As the Dean Allied Health Sciences at King Edward Medical University from 2007 to 2010, he introduced BSc Honours program in 12 disciplines of medical sciences. He is a supervisor and teacher of PhD, FCPS, MS, FRCS, Fellowship in Vitreoretina, Fellowship in Pediatric Ophthalmology, Masters in Community Eye Health, MCPS, DOMS, MPhil, MBBS, BSc Honours Vision Sciences in Optometry, Orthoptics, Investigative Oculists, and Ophthalmic Nursing. During his career, he produced 30 FCPS, 19 MS Ophthalmology, 5 FRCS, 15 MRCS, 20 fellows in VR, 11 fellows in pediatric ophthalmology, 10 masters in community eye health, 16 in vision sciences, 853 optometrists, orthoptists, investigative oculists, 217 ophthalmic nurses, and 568 ophthalmic technicians. As an acting Vice Chancellor, in a short period of 2.5 years, from 210 to 213, he prepared the calendar of university, regulated the meetings of boards of studies, board of faculty, advanced studies and research board, academic council, and syndicate. He introduced structured training programs for postgraduates courses of PhD, MD, MS, MDS, MPhil diplomas. He brought in order the examination system of the university by introducing central marking, fictitious roll numbers, and optical reading system. In record period of 3 to 6 months, he got constructed experimental animal research center, advanced diagnostic center, student canteen, student business and facilitation center, 2 floors in the girls hostel, and student recreation area in the boys hostel. During this period, he got renovated all the basic departments of the university. He also got established Quality Assurance Department, Directorate of Research and Institutional Review Board. He also has the honor to establish Advanced Research Center for Biomedical Sciences, approval of PC1 and subsequent allocation of rupees 199 million for construction of new girls hostel. He also got allocation of land for new campus of KEMU in district Sheikhupura. He got constructed new building for KEMU and Makbul Ahmad block for basic sciences at the cost of rupees 700 million totally funded by Dr. Maqbool Ahmed. At Mayo Hospital, Professor Asad Aslam Khan's services will always be remembered. His main contribution at Mayo Hospital are renovation of South Medical Ward by class of 1985 at the cost of rupees 1 crore and 38 lakh rupees. Renovation of West Surgical Ward by Friends of Mayo at the cost of rupees 90 lakhs. Renovation of Cardiac Surgery Ward by Friends of Mayo at the cost of rupees 1 crore. Renovation of entrance of Khadi Ward by Friends of Mayo at the cost of rupees 58 lakhs. Construction of shelter for patients, attendants by Friends of Mayo at the cost of rupees 2 crore and 20 lakhs. Renovation of Central ICU by Begum Sardar Iqbal at the cost of rupees 1 crore and 10 lakhs. Renovation of female non-surgical ward. Renovation of male and female West Medical Ward by Friends of Mayo. Renovation of pediatric surgery emergency and establishment of pediatric surgery ICU. Pediatric surgery burn unit with the support of Friends of Mayo will start by the end of this month. At the start of COVID-19 pandemic in Lahore, Professor Asad Aslam Khan established Corona wards at Mayo Hospital. He worked hard to establish and run Coronavirus Hospital at Expo Center, Georgetown, Lahore. Throughout the pandemic, he managed triage for COVID-19 patients at Mayo and Expo Center. He managed round-the-clock admission of COVID-19 positive and suspected patients in different hospitals. He managed training of doctors, nurses and paramedical staff in COVID-19, timely procurement of PPEs for staff, timely procurement of the equipment and medicines for the corona wards, provision of transport for the staff of Expo Center and Pakistan Kidney and Liver Institute, arrangements for the timely testing of corona patients. He effectively coordinated between health department, district governments, different hospitals, rescue services, media and other departments of Government of Punjab. He played vital role in the reassurance to doctors, nurses and paramedical staff in this time of need. Professor Dr. Asad Aslam Khan is the recipient of Sitara Imtiaz by the President of Pakistan in recognition of the meritorious services rendered in the field of medicine. President of Pakistan Ramzan Ali Sayyid Award for the meritorious services in ophthalmology. Promotion to grade 21 on meritorious grounds and services. National Award by Ministry of Regulation and Services for meritorious services in the field of medical education and clinical practice. Asia Pacific Academy of Ophthalmology Award for the prevention of blindness in the region. Eye Health Hero Award by the International Agency for Prevention of Blindness in recognition of meritorious services in the health in the region. Commendation Certificate of WHO Representative in Pakistan in appreciation of services rendered in the field of ophthalmology. Letter of appreciation by Fred Hollows Foundation, Australia. Commendation letter by the Secretary, Government of the Punjab Health Department. PICO PICO Gold Medal in lieu of services rendered in the field of community ophthalmology. Gold Medal in lieu of services rendered in the field of ophthalmology by the Ophthalmological Society of Pakistan, Hyderabad. Professor Dr. Asad Aslam Khan always opted for King Edward Medical University and Mayo Hospital. He spent uninterrupted 42 years at KE and Mayo Hospital. He was offered principalship of many medical colleges, but he never accepted them. He never applied for any other institution, even for the post of principal or vice chancellor. Throughout his life, his motto remained to serve his alma mater, King Edward Medical University and Mayo Hospital, Lahore. At the end, I pray that after the retirement of government service, Allah may bless him with more and more success. Ameen.